I'm Sarah and I'm back with another book today. Today's book is called The Tiger Who Came to Tea by Judith Kerr. How about we make our own tiger and feed it some food, huh? I'll show you how. So, for this activity, we're going to need a plate and you color it in orange, just like the face of our tiger right here. Now, when we have our painted plate, we're going to cut out the tiger's face. So we're gonna need his mouth part, his ears, his eyes, and of course, the tiger has black stripes. And you cut these in black, or you can cut them on a white paper and then color them in black. So this remains white, but we need to color in our ears. So let's color in our ears. So we're gonna grab the orange pencil color. We're gonna color it in. So that's one. And that's two. So once we have them colored, we're going to stick everything on the plate. So we'll start with the ears. So I suggest you can either use a glue or tape, but for the ears in this case it would work better if we used tape. Now for our face, we will use glue. We'll stick it on. Then we'll do the same for our eyes. Do his stripes. It's not for me to say you love. now we're gonna grab either a pen, a pencil, a marker, anything you want. I'm gonna use the black pencil color and we're gonna color in his eyes. He's a happy tiger. And then we're gonna put in his nose. And we'll do his mouth. And we have our tiger. Now, before we leave, okay, we're gonna give our tiger some lunch. Just like all the food he ate from the book. And we're gonna give him all this food. Can you recognize some of this food? Let me know what you can recognize. I look forward to seeing what you make. I'll see you all later.